So today I'm going to talk about spirituality, and I've got two examples there to discuss with you later on. So let's come on to the definition first. So spirituality involves recognition of feeling and a sense of belief there is something greater than myself, and it's beyond sensory experiences, and there's something divine and cosmic in nature, right? So that's the definition, if you want to keep it in mind, of spirituality, right? And believe there's something greater. Now just let me give you a quick example. Like a bulb, as you can see on the screen, if I don't power it, it will not lit. So that's the way it lights up and starts to work. In human beings, the same phenomenon. If there's something missing and we die, we don't get up, no, regardless of how much food we have given. If the spirit is not there, we will not get up. So that's a power inside us.